Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to link your Xbox account to your Epic Games or Fortnite account on your iPhone. Really easy to do. First things first, you guys want to pop open your web browser and head over to epicgames.com. Once you're on epicgames.com, you just want to log into your account. Really easy and quick to do. Once you've logged into your account, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then at the very bottom above, available on PC and Mac only, you'll see your account. You just want to click on that and then click on the account option here. Once this boots up, you just want to click on the back button right beside account settings. And then it'll open up all these options here, general, payments, transactions, stuff like that. You want to click on connections and then accounts. Then if you scroll down, you'll see there's an account option for Xbox. You want to click on connect. And I'll just give it a second to verify here. Once this pops up here, you just want to click link account. And then it's going to pop open this, so you just need to sign into your Xbox Live account here. I've already done that on one of my accounts, so I'm not going to do it again here. But once you've logged in here and just click on allow, it will totally be linked to your Fortnite account with your Xbox account. Really easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.